have you ever played rock, paper, scissors? Just kidding, I know you have. So rock, paper, scissors is a pretty simple game. You have 1, 2, 3 possible plays, and each of those has one that they can win against and one play that they lose against. You can see this here in this graph. However, this doesn't really work, especially if you're playing with more than one person, because the odds of you and that other person picking the exact same thing are annoyingly high. So a lot of people play an alternate version known as rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock, or 5-way rock, paper, scissors. Essentially, each possible play has 2 plays that they win against and 2 plays that they lose against, creating this slightly more interesting graph and this fun little star shape within the basic diagram. However, I'm here to talk about the new gen, in quotes, version of rock, paper, scissors. This is where you have an even number of plays. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 in this version, and there's something I like to call the arms of neutrality, where each opposing play doesn't affect the other. So this graph is a nice balanced square with each one having 1 play that they win against, 1 play that they lose against, and 1 play that's neutral to. Right? And this is a lot more fun. However, 4-way isn't that exciting. How about 6-way rock, paper, scissors? Now, there's actually 2 versions of this, and, well, technically 3 or 4, but those aren't really fun. So, these 2 fun versions have a large mass of arms of neutrality or a smaller little star shape that looks kind of like an asterisk. So, in this version, as you can see, pretty much everything is connected in some way, shape, or form with 3 other, quote, neutral allies. This one I like to call Switzerland. This one, however, only has a few pairs. Now, this isn't really fun if you're playing against one person. However, if you are playing in a big group, you can sort of form an alliance, so you and somebody else can form a neutral pair and still win against somebody else without having to fight your opponent. Pretty cool, right?